All right, this is Josh Gwynn, and in this course, I'm going to show you how you can double or triple or 4x your LinkedIn connections within a week. And the reason for making this course is LinkedIn is a connection-driven network. My personal experience on LinkedIn is from 2000. I got on LinkedIn in 2008, and from 2008 to 2013, I had a terrible LinkedIn profile. I was one of those people, and you may can relate to this. I was on LinkedIn, but I wasn't really doing anything with it. I didn't really understand it. I didn't really understand the potential from it. And so from 2008 to 2013, I had a terrible LinkedIn profile. And it wasn't until 2013 that I started really working on my LinkedIn profile to try to start using it as a tool to get business or to find a job. And so I started taking a bunch of courses on LinkedIn and spending a lot of time adding connections and learning. And LinkedIn has been one of the most significant sources of business or of revenue for my business. In fact, in 2015, last year, 30% of my business profit came not only from LinkedIn, but from people on LinkedIn that did not know me previously, that saw something that I posted on LinkedIn, and as a result reached out and became clients of mine. So, LinkedIn can be a huge source of revenue to your business, and it all starts with having a lot of connections. And you can see here, whether you're looking to build a client base, whether you're looking to get sales, or whether you're looking to find a job on LinkedIn and get recruiters, people look at this number right here. And once you get over 500 connections, it reads 500 plus. And now if you don't have 500 connections, it reads the number of connections that you have. And so your goal is to get to 500 plus, because people can't necessarily tell how many connections you have when you get over 500 plus. But if you are under 500 plus, a lot of people will look at that as though you don't have a big network or haven't really been putting in the work to get a lot of connections. And, unfortunately, people take a look at that and make a judgment based on that information. So your goal should be to get to at least 500 connections. But if you really want to be able to get your business and your and what you offer in front of people, your goal should be a lot higher than that. And if you look, see if we can show you this here. So we'll go to connections. All right, so you can see right here, I have 5,453 connections. And so it gives me the ability, and LinkedIn gives you the ability to contact these people based on different things. People celebrating a job anniversary, I can say congrats. Fred has a birthday, I can tell him happy birthday. Rob has a new job, I can say congrats. So it's really easy to stay in contact with people that are in your network. Now, I'm going to go back here for a second. So not everybody can see this. So depending on what your privacy settings are, not everybody can see how many connections you have, but you want to have as many as possible, because the more connections that you have when you post something, the more people see it. So I'm going to show you 3 ways to grow your connections substantially, and you should be able to get to this. If you're not already here, you should be able to get to this 500 plus within a week. If you are already here, then you should be able to double where you're at right now currently.